Welcome, in front of me is Nokia 5.3 and in this video I will tell you what to do if your device doesn't accept your PIN code. So the first thing that you should check is whether you're trying to enter your personal PIN code that you set up for yourself and not the PIN code for your SIM card, as those two are oftenly mistaken for each other. And if you're sure that it's the right PIN code and you don't have access to any features like fingerprints scanner, if you don't have any features set like fingerprint scanner or face unlock on your phone, then the best solution would be to try and take your time and try to remember the password, the PIN code that you entered the last time. And if you're sure that you can't remember it, then the other best solution would be to contact Nokia customer support service, explain them your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely help you out with your problem and help you regain access to your device without the need of deleting any personal information or data from your phone. And if you don't have that time, or if this option is unavailable to you for any reason, then the other best solution would be to perform a factory reset operation, and you can either erase all data from your phone remotely if you have Find My Device feature enabled on your Nokia, and in such case you'll simply have to enter your Google account that is connected with your Nokia phone, find your device there, and erase all data from your phone remotely, and then set up a new profile on your device. And if you don't have this feature enabled on your phone, you can also perform a factory reset operation locally by using a recovery mode. And if you don't know how to access recovery mode on your phone, or you need some help with that, then go ahead and check out the full video on our YouTube channel, where we'll explain everything step by step so you don't get lost. And for me, I think that's all I wanted to mention in this video. So if this video helped you, let us know about it in the comments. Consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like, and I'll see you in the next one.